Part 3 reveals 3 clever kitchen solutions that save time, reduce effort, simplify cooking, improve results, and worth buying.
Transform your dining experience with timeless wooden craftsmanship, carefully crafted from durable natural wood for everyday use. Enjoy comfortable serving with the practical long handle design, versatile, durable, and ideal for every kitchen. Add warmth and natural beauty to your kitchen collection. Order now from eBay. You'll find the link in the first comment and video description. Enjoy restaurant quality mashed avocados and potatoes in seconds. Built from durable stainless steel for long-lasting performance. Create smooth, lump-free textures with minimal effort. Ideal for preparing creamy potatoes, guacamole, and more. Make meal preparation quicker, easier, and more enjoyable. Order yours today from eBay. You'll find the link in the first comment and video description.
Want restaurant quality garlic with almost no effort? Built from durable stainless steel for long-lasting performance. Crush more garlic with less force and save time while cooking. Enjoy quick preparation and consistent results every time. Upgrade your kitchen with this powerful garlic crusher today. Buy now on eBay. You'll find the product link in the first comment and video description.
Love smart kitchen discoveries? Subscribe to Smart Kitchen Picks, like this video, and never miss amazing gadgets, tips, reviews.